Hello friends, welcome to my channel Code Complete the Spirit of Coding. Today in this video, we will learn how to achieve this type of double exposure effect in Adobe Illustrator. So without wasting a single minute, let's start. First, we will import image and embed it on the artboard. To do so, go to the menu bar, select File option and click on Place. In Place dialog box, navigate to the folder and highlight the image we want to import. Now click on Place button. We can see a loader cursor with the preview of image on the end of it. Now place the image inside the artboard. So we just click once and the image is placed in. Here you can see a cross sign on the image. To delete it, go to Property bar and click on Embedded button. Next step is to remove the background of an image. We will use Pen tool to remove the background. Since we show the double exposure effect with man only, so we will trace only man's pic. Here we trace only outlines of an image. Now go to the toolbar and select Pen tool. After selecting Pen tool, start tracing the image. Here select Fill to None and Stroke Color to White, and vice versa after completing tracing image. Tracing an image is done. Now hold Alt key and drag over trace path with mouse to make a copy of a trace path. Keep that copy aside and we will use it later. Right now, place the trace path exactly over the image and make opacity mask. To make an opacity mask, open Gradient panel. It is either at the right hand side of the artboard or you can open it by go to the menu bar, select Windows and click on Gradient. As Gradient panel open, select Linear mode and darken the portion of man that we want to hide in double exposure effect. Now select both image and trace path and go to the transparency panel and click on make mask. Next, we will import second image on the artboard. Set the opacity of the image to 60% and then place it to the top of masked image. Now we will select second trace path that we kept aside. Now place that path exactly on the top of the two objects that are masked image and second image. Here comes a very important point, and that is the second tracing path should be on the top of the other two objects that are masked image and second image. Now select all the three objects and at the right click of mouse, click on make clipping mask. Ta-da! We just achieve double exposure effect. So friends, that's all for this video. If you have any queries, ask in the comment section below. If you like this video, please give thumbs up. And for latest video updates, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.